Yeah, I just finished the welding process, so I want to show you. These are not my best welds, but I think it will do the job. So this part is more worse than the other one. I know it's looking bad. I'm not good at welding, but I say it will do the job. I want to make operational steady lathe. That is not important for the looking for me. Just want to show you how it stands. Right now it's upside down. Let me change it. Yeah, right now looking like this. It's a little bit taller than I imagined, but I think that's okay. Yeah, this part is good, I think, and the best place is this one. So I know this video is being a short video, but wanted to make these legs in the own episode, because in the next episode I think we should start the upper part, the carriage part. We just need to make guide rails here and one more little part for the look like this, and it should be moved here to here, just y-axis. If you look in the first video, we achieved this x-axis. In the next video we will try to make y-axis, but I need a cutting disc because I don't have any cutting disc right now. I slowly run out of the source, but if I find some money I will spend it and finish the project. So don't worry guys, hopefully see you in the next video. Take care of yourself.